Holy shit.
Yeah, yeah, holy shit, it'll take up. Look at that, Jeff.
Man, that sumbitch could do some shit. Now when you can hear it. When you hear it like that, boys, that's getting close. I just went dark. When you can hear it, that's not good.
On this phone, you can really, I mean, you can see the
Oh, no.
goddamn rain.
Keep trying to page or something.
It's coming this way for sure. Isn't it?
It looks like it.
It's got a raindrop right on my camera lens.
Weather spotters. Yeah.
Just call it in. Hey, we see it. Is that right over Stan's house?
It could be north of Stan's. Boy, that motherfucker's coming right to us.
Yeah, it's picking up too, isn't it?
Well, you can see this big cloud, boys.
Yeah, look at that shit flying.
Holy shit, that's debris off the ground.
Yeah, that is.
Do we want to fucking run south, or do we want to fucking get in the basement?
We want to get in the basement.
Or do we want to fire
Boys,
truck?
we better
probably.
do something.
Or
No.
we better go east, because here it comes.
Better get in the basement.
Boys,
Let's go east.
I said fuck that.
Shit
Look,
up.
we better get in the
Let's go
fucking
east.
basement. Fuck that.